You installed a big sliding window in your house. You thought it will bring the fresh air, natural light, and the beautiful outside view. But after start living in the house, what actually happens? The curtains stay closed all day because people outside can see inside the house. In evening, you open window for the fresh air, but mosquitoes come inside. During heavy rain, water comes through the window. And in the summer, sitting near the glass become uncomfortable due to the heat. And this may look like a small window problem, but one wrongly designed window can affect your privacy, maintenance, safety, and even your electricity bill. Then we blame weather, we blame heat, we blame rain. But sometimes the main problem is not the weather. The real problem is poor window planning. Today I will show some common sliding window mistakes that look small on a drawing but can disturb your everyday after the house is built. The first mistake, privacy. The first mistake is making large window without thinking about the privacy. While designing the elevation, large window looks beautiful and house looks modern. You get natural light and a beautiful outside view. Everything looks perfect. But now your house is built. You realize something. People from opposite house or the street can easily see inside your house. Then you start feeling uncomfortable. Then you think, is someone watching inside? So, what is the easiest solution? Curtains. You install the curtains and keep them closed. Problem solved? But not really. Because now the same window you designed for the natural light and beautiful outside view stay hidden behind the curtains all day. So the problem is not the large window. The problem is designing the window and privacy separately. Before designing a large window, first check what is in front of it. Is there any house, a neighboring balcony, or a public road, or an open landscape? If the window faces privacy sensitive area, so plan the privacy solution from the beginning. You can use screens, lowers, perforated elements, jali, or landscape buffer according to the your situation. If you have enough space, so plantation is the best solution and it creates a natural privacy layer. And if space is limited, properly designed lowers, screens can be more practical because good window is not that only looks beautiful in the elevation. A good window is that don't you have to hide behind the curtains all day. The second problem, thinking about the window, but not how we will use it. We spend a lot of time to selecting the window. Which profile should we select? And should we select aluminium or PVC? Which glass should we use? And what should be the frame color? But we often forget some very basic questions. If the window is on upper floor, how will you clean from outside? And if you open the window, how will you maintain the safety? And if you want the fresh air in the evening, how will you stop mosquitoes? On a drawing, window just a rectangle, but in the real life, you have to use it, clean it, lock it, and maintain it. So before finalizing the window, don't only think about the material and appearance, also think about operational, safety, cleaning, and maintenance. For accessible window, choose the security solution according to your location and the risk. In some situation, integrated grill can be considered and it's look good. And in the other situation, the safety glass and other security system may be considered. For upper floor, think about cleaning access before construction is completed. And if you want to open your window in evening for ventilation, don't treat the mosquito mess as an afterthought. Plan it as a part of the window because the size of the window doesn't much matter if you can't safely open it and maintain it. The third mistake, using the same window design on every direction. This is one of the most common problem. We design one beautiful window and use it on every side of the house, north, south, east, west. But the sunlight doesn't behave same in the all direction. For example, east and west windows receive low angle sunlight during the morning and afternoon. And here is another common mistake. The problem is solar heat, but we finding the solution in expensive glasses. We use double glazed, triple glazed, and the special glasses. So before spending money on the glasses, first think about the external shading device. You can use vertical fins, screens, jalis, deep balconies, vegetation, or any other suitable shading element. And if you have balcony in east and west side, a properly designed screen or jali can help filter sunlight, and it will increase your elevation also. Plantation also can help create a softer layer between the sun and the building where the side condition allow it. Because the window design is not only deciding the size, height and the width of the window. A right window required a right strategies for its direction. These were some common problems related to the sliding window. And be remember, every window have their own advantage and the limitation. And by the way, what is the biggest window problem in your home? Is it mosquitoes? Is it safety? Is it cleaning? And the rain and the heat? Tell me in comment. It may become the next detailed video topic.